Hi, join us today as we drive to Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale to catch the Enchanted Princess. We're turning off 27 South to 75 South towards Fort Lauderdale. There is a big plot twist here, as we will not be going to Terminal 2 but to Terminal 19 instead. It's going to make for quite an adventure, so stick around and see the things you need to know in case your terminal gets changed from 2 or any other number to 19. As you see, we're getting in the line for Terminal 2. It isn't until we read the sign in the middle that we find out that we have to go to Terminal 19, as you'll see in this picture.
Enchanted Princess is Terminal 19.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Hi,
Right.
we're going to the Enchanted Princess.
Let me see ID cards, please.
Sure.
Okay, see, like Journey
It's in
Crew.
there somewhere.
So you stop and show your passport
I'll
or your
find him.
photo
There you
ID
go.
when you
I
go
found
through
him.
the little
Okay,
gate here.
great. I'm in there.
There you go.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
You have a great day.
You too.
This is how close we are to the ship now. So we gotta go to 19?
Yep. That's what it said. Enchanted was 19.
Okay, we're going to be going to Terminal 19. Continue straight ahead for Terminal 19. So we're going to go straight ahead here through this red light.
Where all the line of traffic is at.
Where the line of traffic's at, even though it is 8:36 in the morning. We got a green light.
Those are taxis. They have to be in that lane. Look at all those taxis.
A lot of taxis. Once we were on the Enchanted Princess, a lot of people told us they didn't know that Terminal 2 was changed to Terminal 19. So they ended up driving all the way down to Terminal 2 and then having to turn around and go back and find their way to Terminal 19. Even Uber drivers were taking people down to Terminal 2 instead of 19. This is where you'll turn left to get into Terminal 19. Gonna do her own thing
Sorry,
here, y'all.
sorry.
She's trying to kill me.
Sorry.
Now. She's at it again, John.
Hey, it's changed.
I know.
This is totally different.
Okay, cruise Terminal 19 straight ahead here. We have not come to 19 before. This is our first time. That's why we're driving around like we're crazy.
And it's changed. Everything about this has changed.
There's the Enchanted Princess in front of us.
So, don't see that that's luggage drop off. These are people picking up people. Yeah, this shuttle's picking up those people.
Okay, Sea Lake Journeys crew, this is where it's going to get really interesting and a little bit hairy.
Ask this lady for luggage drop off.
Luggage drop off?
Over there.
Over there? Okay. Over there. Yeah, you gotta keep going around.
Where?
Don't try to drive down there where the forklift is. That's where they're loading the ship up. This is where we drop our luggage off at.
Where's the luggage drop off? Is that it? Right there?
wants to, yeah, let me just
Luggage drop off?
Luggage is back in the corner. You're going to have to follow that pole and circle around.
And when you say back in the corner, it did.
When you come around the corner, it's back there by those buses.
Okay, so
By the
I was
buses.
going the right way.
Go that way.
Go that way. So he told me how to go around this way. It just did not look like a place that you would drive the car.
That's not where we would go. That ain't right.
See, he's saying I need to go through there, on the other side of the buses. See, that does not look to me like a safe place to go.
That's not where we go. That can't be right. We'll find out with this car here.
It can't be right.
Yeah, see, it ain't right.
She's telling him the same thing.
I know they're not going to let us go back down there.
No, because that's not the right place to be. We're going to follow this dude because she's told him the same thing. Are you trying to find luggage drop off? I'm following you. It's right there?
Nope, this is not where you drop your luggage off. Keep going up past the buses, and when there's empty spaces, you'll pull into one of those and drop your luggage off there, as we showed you the first time we went around the circle.
Only one that knew what was going on.
Okay, so that's where we dropped the luggage off, right back there. Now we're heading to the parking garage. This has been a total cluster here this morning. Yeah, but we're getting it done. And this looks like, yeah. I guess we gotta make some kind of U-turn.
Yep.
Okay, U-turn it is. Make a U-turn here to parking garage. I hope I can make sense out of this video when I get to it.
It's been ridiculous.
It's been a circus, y'all. Okay, we made it to the garage. Now you get here, you're going to take a ticket. Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, this is the parking garage for Terminal 19. Alright, so they come off of these elevators here. That's where you're going to pay your parking ticket when you leave. They come out this gate here, back over to where we drove in and had the debacle with where we drop off our luggage. But now they're coming out through here. Got to head back that way. Not exactly a safe way to go. But there's the Enchanted Princess right next to us. Robin from Sea Lake Journeys has the wheelchair and the luggage. Her day's off to a great start. As you see, there's other people pushing their luggage across this where the traffic's coming.
This is a while ago, and the guy told us we needed to drive that way. And we ended up dropping our luggage off at the end of these buses here.
Yeah.
So, this is
It's a little bit wankered, ain't it?
I'm not even safe.
Okay. We're supposed to go this here way to drop our stuff off. So I'll turn the camera off as the security area, but this is where we're heading. Well, after being sent to the wrong entrance, we're sent on down all the way to the other end of this building where the entrance really is. And when we get there, you're going to see it. There's a great big old line. Right now, people are still disembarking the ship, so no one is allowed to embark the ship at this point. Okay, it's 9 a.m. here in Port Everglades. Don't get here early. That's my advice. Thanks for driving with us today to Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, to Terminal 19. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.